In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in form in ConvertKit. We'll start right inside your ConvertKit account. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Grow. From the drop-down menu, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all your subscriber collection tools live. On this page, click the Create New button. ConvertKit will then ask how you want to gather subscribers. Select Form. Next, you'll see different form formats you can choose from, such as inline, modal, slide-in, and sticky bar. For this walkthrough, we'll use the slide-in format, but you can follow the same process for the others. After choosing slide-in, you'll see a gallery of templates. Take a moment to browse these and look for a layout that fits your brand and goal. Once you've decided on a template, click Choose on that template card, and it will open up in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice the form preview in the center or on the left, and an editing panel on the right-hand side. The right sidebar will usually open on the General Styles tab. Here you can customize things like the background color, the form background, border radius to make corners rounded or sharp, and even add custom CSS if you're comfortable with code. Keep in mind that the options may look slightly different depending on the template you selected, but the overall process is similar. To edit any specific block in the form, simply click directly on that block in the preview. As soon as you do, its editing options will appear on the right. If it's a text block, you can click on the text in the preview and start typing to change the headline, description, or button text. By default, this template only has an email address field, but you can easily add more. Click the small plus icon below the email field to add another field. Then, use the right sidebar to choose what kind of field it is, such as first name or last name, or create a custom field. You can edit the label, and if you want to make it mandatory, check the required box. To rearrange any block, hover over it, drag it up or down, and release it where you want it to appear. Now let's set up double opt-in, which is important for confirming subscribers and delivering lead magnets. In the top right corner of the editor, click on Settings. A pop-up will open with tabs for General, Domain, Incentive, and Advanced Settings. To configure double opt-in, go to the Incentive tab. Make sure Send Incentive Email is checked. You can also choose to automatically confirm new subscribers if that suits your strategy. Then, attach the URL where subscribers should go after they confirm, or upload a download file, like a PDF freebie or guide. When you're done, click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. Once your design and settings look good, click Save and Publish in the top right corner of the editor. This makes your form live and ready to use. Right next to that button, click Embed to choose how you want to add the form to your site or share it. ConvertKit gives you several options here. You can copy the embed code for your website and paste it into your site builder, install it using a WordPress plugin if your site runs on WordPress, use a JavaScript snippet for more flexible placement, or simply grab a direct link to the form that you can share in emails, on social media, or anywhere you like. And that's the full process of creating an opt-in form in ConvertKit, customizing it, setting up double opt-in, and getting it out into the world so you can start growing your email list.